And this is the practice session. This is going to show everything here on your, about your swing. So you can see where the club head hit, the video of the impact. You can see up here where it's off on the club, and then go to side top. See where the ball ended up, and then go down to the bottom to shot. Gives all your information about the shot, and then I'll hit one more, and then that way we can do the group. And you can see the group where that goes. That one pushed it to the right. Probably going to be pretty close to the same yardage. Yep, right there off the toe. So, it's very, very accurate. And then maybe go down here to the numbers, so you can see everything. And then they also have, Uneekor's got stickers that you can put on your club. It would actually, where all those hashtags are, or not hashtags, but dashes, you would see everything else.
Hey guys, Chase Dowling here with Luxe Blades Golf Simulators, and today we just did this beautiful installation in Statesboro, Georgia with the Uneekor Golf Launch Monitor. You'll come over here to your touchscreen display and you'll see the Uneekor launcher right here on the desktop. You're going to click on that to launch it. Here it's going to pull up your interface. You've got a ton of different options here. You have the practice on the Uneekor software itself, and then you have GS Pro, which is going to launch all of your golf courses. So we'll go ahead and go to practice here. We'll show you guys a little bit about this one. It's going to take just a second to boot up. Add different profiles into here, but we've already got one loaded, so we'll click Start. It's going to bring you into your previous session here. On this screen, after you hit the ball, you're going to see where the impact zone is at, but it's also got these different things down the side here to show you different metrics of the golf. This is going to show you top view and side view of your ball travel. This is going to show you all the hits that you've taken. So we've taken 2 on this particular session. And then it's going to take you to the club where it's going to actually show you what launch angle you hit, your side angle, and it's going to have a video down here showing the actual ball launching from the turf grass. And so this allows you to go in here and adjust your game as needed. Down here on shot, it's going to show you all of your metrics for that particular shot, 1 and 2 in this case. And then down here is just some metrics on the last shot that you took. There are some things down here: the dynamic loft, attack angle, impact position X, and impact position Y. There's stickers that you can actually put on the golf club in which it allow you to measure these certain metrics. So that's going to be your practice range. So we'll go ahead and get out of this. And we're going to take you over to the GS Pro software, which is where all the great courses are going to be at in the system. Pro software. We're going to click play. Now it's going to load GS Pro. In GS Pro, we have over 1,000 courses that you can play on. We've downloaded the Gusta for this example. It's very important when this Uneekor Connect screen pops up, you don't want to close this out. You're going to want to minimize this. This is going to track all the data and push it back into the Uneekor software. So we're just going to minimize that. In here, we've got practice, which is a similar situation to what we just had in the Uneekor software, where you can actually play on the driving range. So we'll load that and show you guys real quick. Similar thing, all of your stats are going to be over here to the left-hand side. So we'll get out of this and we'll go load up Augusta and we'll show you how Augusta works. So you'll come in here to local match and you've got all these courses here that you're able to play. You can actually search certain courses if you want to. You can see here we've got Georgia, Augusta, Georgia downloaded. So we'll click play. You've got your player settings over here. Down the right hand side, click play Georgia Golf Club. It's gonna.
Hey guys, Nick over here with Luxe Blades. We're having fun with one of our simulators. And today's my birthday, and Chase was so kindly to take me out to Vegas for my birthday. So let's get this round started.